Ladies and gentlemen, this is the $15,000.
Welcome to XENIA, ladies and gentlemen. Andre the Giant and Big John Studd face off in this $15,000 body slam challenge.
Well, the grudge between these two started when Big John Studd cut Andre's hair after getting disqualified in a match.
Well, Studd challenged Andre to this match and put $15,000 of his own money on the line that Andre cannot slam him.
Yeah, but if Andre cannot slam Studd, he has to retire from the WWE. And I believe the Giant Studd cannot be slammed.
Well, we're going to find that out right now, King.
Well, I think he wants to put him through that table. Let me remind everybody, there are no countouts.
And now punishment being delivered right here on our announce tape.
Uh-oh. Wow. Going all... Known as the Milan Miracle, Santino won the Intercontinental Championship during his WWE debut. He also enjoyed reigns as a WWE Tag Team and United States Champion.
Ouch! Big kick echoing around the arena.
Wow! Talk about athletic.
There's a big shot.
Watch out!
Oh, wow. Huge move.
Oh, my gosh!
And a heads-up counter by Santino.
He's putting those educated feet to good use. I have a strong feeling that these guys will throw caution to the wind and just go full steam ahead.
And the knuckles connect. What a fierce kick. I don't think so.
Back into the ring now. Oh, clothesline!
Ladies and gentlemen, we are live here on Monday Night Raw in this jam-packed arena.
Time to play the game.